Welcome to the Lion Coffee Cafe and Store located at 1555 KalanI Street. They're open from every day from 6:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Stop by. As you can see, they have a lot of products on sale. They have all kinds of coffee, fresh, hot, iced, any way you like it, and some select menu items. So stop by when in Hawaii so you can bring home some gifts for home. They also have merch, t-shirts, hats, mugs, everything Lion Coffee. Believe it or not, Lion Coffee was born in 1864. That's right, you heard it. 1864, guys. Please read about their history on lioncoffee.com. Mahalo! Stop by for a cup. It's the cup that roars. Just checking out what kind of merch they have. They have a lot of dry fit tees. Look at that. Check it out. Nice colors. Beautiful design. Something to take home and remember your trip to Hawaii. Okay, so here's the lovely cafe that they have here. It's a beautiful kind of industrial feel place. There's a lot of seating. And it's like it's a sunken in from like where the counter is. So you kind of feel like you're in your own little personal space. So you can sit down, enjoy your delicious coffee, eat your delicious whatever you buy, little dessert or breakfast sandwich, and enjoy. They even got miscellaneous. They got hot chocolate, guys. Okay, and here is the sticker that I bought. Like and subscribe, guys. Enjoy. Aloha.